Hey guys, Fantastic Frog here, and today we are going to be erupting a volcano. So it's going to go bang bang, and I'm going to be joined by Ollie here.
Hello.
And Tech Palmer, Matty.
How you doing, guys?
So bring it on, Matty.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's have a look at it. Welcome back, guys. Right, we're gonna add the malt vinegar into our volcano, and hopefully the chemical reaction will start, and then we should see it erupt. Here we go. Let's add this to the baking soda. In it goes. And there we go.
We
and out
forgot to
comes
add the lid.
lava. So as we can see, the vinegar is now erupting with the baking soda. Let's add a bit more in, guys. Get ready with the lid. Okay, put the lid on. Good. There we go. And it's erupting out now. We've got lava going everywhere, forming down the sides.
Yeah.
Okay guys, there's another science experiment from us today. We got the erupting volcano. Next we're going to make some lava. So goodbye from me. Let's smash the like button if you want to see more science videos.
Like, I mean not smash that, I mean smash that like button.
And subscribe to Fantastic Frog. Thanks very much, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye. Look at the slow-mo.